It is an exciting day here in Canberra because we are hosting our first ever FIA Girls on Track event here in the ACT, all thanks to Netia. We have 50 girls here today to work through some workshops which include STEM Challenge, Media Workshop, Fitness and Reaction and a simulator. And hopefully we'll be inspiring those girls to pursue a career in motorsport. So take a look at how the day rolled out. Someone who has been instrumental in Netia bringing FIA Girls on Track to Canberra is Jess from Netia. So Jess, why is this program important to you and Netia?
The biggest thing for us is we're a technology company, and for us, promoting women in IT is so important because we've fought really hard to get a 20% female workforce, and we're finally there, and we're not going to stop. We want to keep making it bigger and bigger. And when I found Girls on Track 4 years ago, I just thought that is such an inspirational event, something that we had to get behind because it promotes technology, engineering and motorsport to young girls, which is really important so that they know that these opportunities are out there.
What made you sign up for today?
I've seen Girls on Track before at other previous events, and I've always thought, why not get involved with female in motorsport?
And how's the day been?
It's been really good. I think my favourite part was the pit crew challenge. Not too great at the sim, but I gave it a go.
Excellent. It's all about giving it a go today. And what to from here? You mentioned that you're volunteering this weekend at the Netia National Capital Rally. What happens after that?
I thought volunteering would be a great way to put my foot in the door and to gain experience, and then maybe go on to get some more experience within a supercars race team. That would be awesome.
I've tracked down Coral Taylor because the girls at today's event were lucky enough to have a look around the Toyota area in the service park. So Coral, how was it showing the girls around? Were they enthusiastic? What did they think of the day?
Yeah, they loved it. And I actually really enjoyed asking them, what had you enjoyed most this morning? And predominantly it seems the pit stop challenge is the one that everyone loves.
Now, you're famous for being a very successful co-driver. If any of the girls wanted to get involved in rallies specifically, where would you tell them to start?
I would tell them to start really with their local car clubs. You don't have to be a driver or a co-driver or really anything to join a car club, and once you've joined you will meet people that have a similar interest to yourself, and it may be that you join a car club and start off helping as an official at an event, and through that you will grow a pathway to understanding more and more about your sport that you love and getting involved in whichever way you want to get involved.
Emma's been taking part in today's activities. Emma, tell us what you've been up to.
Well, we did a simulator thing where we could drive on a little track, but it wasn't actually a real track, but it was still really fun and it was a little tricky. And we did a pit stop challenge, and just before we went to look at some of the rally cars that are racing this weekend.
So if any of your friends were thinking about maybe coming to a Girls on Track event, what would you tell them?
I would say that it was great to come here and that they should definitely come.
You heard her. We would love to see you sign up soon. So if you know anyone, or if you're aged between 8 and 18, you can head to motorsport.org.au to get more information about Girls on Track and register for an event near you.